My favorite natural gas, which I was bullish since last 2 to 3 weeks, and I have mentioned very clearly several times that till it stays above 2.06, it is a triple bottom level. We can expect net gas to fly for $2.83 levels. Yesterday, it achieved 2.72. I hope you all profited more than 30% returns we have seen here. Now, what to expect today? In crude oil also, you can see it traded in a range bound. It has formed a support there at 71.6, 71.5 levels. So which position you should take trading crude oil and net gas today? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis and trends. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Also, you can get updates by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now see US crude on the hourly chart. First of all, you can see the behavior there on the hourly charts here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and if it is starts to looking upwards again. And yes, if you see it trading beyond 73, you should buy again. Now beyond 73, I will look forward to 73.6, 74. Now 74 is the hurdle. It needs to break past by and then you can confirm that it has reversed. Now see on the hourly charts, higher lows, higher highs are seen here, and hence a drop below 71.8 levels is something I will wait for it to break past by, then 71.5, and if it drops below 71.5 then only we can confirm a crash. Else right now it is looking forward to break on the upside, and in fact 72.8 levels, 72.6 levels itself you can buy. However, 73 is a very good resistance which I will wait for it to break past by. See, stochastic is seen rising. MACD on the hourly chart, see the cycles there, the sine wave here. It is looking forward to crossover for a buy entry again. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. If you look at 2-hour charts, now see on the 2-hour charts, divergence from the moving averages converged here, taking the support, again looking forward to diverge, possibly higher highs or same levels can be seen. On the 2-hour charts also, if you look at, it is still trading in this bullish channel. The highs are now at around 74. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. If you look at 3-hour charts, now look at 3-hour charts also. It traded below the 2050 average. Now it traded with divergence. It has converged here. Now trying to look upwards. See the moving averages also looking upwards. You can see that 20 and 50 have crossed over. Now I'll wait for 20, 100 and then 50 and 100 crossover. Beyond that, more bullishness is going to prevail. And if you look at the pattern there, it is also very classical. It is again trying to look upwards here. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD is still on the sell side. It is trying to cross over for the buys. RSI looking upward, showing a little strength. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, it is a bullish flag. Hence, any breakout beyond 72.8, 73 levels, just stay long beyond that 73.5, 74 levels are the next resistance level. Hence, a buy entry, in fact, at 72.8 can be taken, but then be cautious for 73, 73.5 levels. On the downside, a sell entry is only recommended if you see it trading below. See multiple moving averages getting converged here at 71.8, 71.5 levels. So you can sell at 71.8, however 71.5 very good support. Stochastic seen rising, MACD in green trying to converge, RSI flat, and on the daily. Now see on the daily charts, first of all on this candle, on this chart the new candle is yet to start, but look at previous candle. See first of all, lower highs, higher lows, phase of consolidation, very small body, very big tail there. Hence, any break beyond 73 is where we can expect that crude oil prices might fly again. Else, there is a possibility of a reversal. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD, on the other hand, on the daily charts have crossed over, trading with little divergence, looking upwards, looking bullish. This could be also, I have told several times that, see, this is a zone from where oil always try to reverse, and this is again trying to happen here. RSI comfortable. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 72.8 and sell at 71.8 levels. For this $1, let's stay away from oil. Do just be watchful here, just observe and be careful. On the upside, I'll be looking forward to 73.5, 74 levels as the next stronger resistance zone. On the downside, 71 is a very good support. 71.5 and 71, these two levels. Below 71 only little more bearishness. However, 69.4 is the ultimate support for the week. Only and only if it trades below 69.4, you can say that oil will crash heavily. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at net gas. And before we, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at natural gas on the hourly chart. See, it diverged from the 20 period moving average. Now, 20 period moving average situated at around 2.63, 2.6 levels. Hence, a drop below 2.65. Yes, it can try to get a pullback for 2.63, 2.6 levels. Very good support, but it is not bearish still. And see, I have been telling you since long that 2.06 levels till it respects, we can stay long. Also remember, this was the first bullish move there. Possibly it can continue with the bullish momentum till $3 levels. If you look at the hourly chart, see after the retracement, it is forming a base, trying to recover here, trying to rise here. Hence, yes, in fact, if you see it trading below 2.66 levels, here also you can sell. However, 2.64, 2.62, 2.6, till 2.6, it can possibly converge. And in fact, it can try to retrace a little. However, only bearishness is if it trades below 2.5 levels. Till 2.5, I will not consider this as bearish. Stochastic has dropped heavily. MACD trying to converge. It has seen the extremes. It is looking forward to crossover, and hence a little retracement cannot be denied. RSI overbought. But remember, when it dropped in sequence, when it dropped sequentially, when it dropped sharply from almost close to $10 levels till $2 levels, it was a series of red candles. Nobody questioned about the indicators, and hence if it defies the indicator today again and it continues to rise, remember, you should not question it and you should not just expect for it to drop. If it continues to stay bullish, just go with the flow here, because nothing works when it decides a direction. Now look at the 2-hour average, divergent bullish. So here also 2.6, 2.55, 2.5 levels. Only bearishness is if it trades below 2.5. Stochastic is dropping. MACD trying to convert crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It is still in green. RSI overbought. And if you look at 3-hour charts, now look at 3-hour charts. See the extreme divergence from the 20 period moving average situated at around 2.58, 2.55, 55 and 5 levels. So first thing is the moving average continues to diverge more, come back till towards 2.6, then it drops till towards 2.6, stabilize there and again resume the upward move. This is one probability. Else staying above 2.72, just stay long here. So what you can do today is sell at 2.65, buy at 2.72. In between these points, in between these 7 cents, do not trade net gas. If you look at stochastic, this is overbought here. MACD bullish, RSI overbought. Everything is overbought and hence a little conversion cannot be denied here. Now look at 4-hour charts. Just 2 bullish candles here. Then this retracement, it can potentially again continue to rally. And remember, let's see how far it can stretch. It can always try to come back to the 20 period moving average, which is at 2.55 level. And this is why I say only bearishness is if you see net gas trading below 2.5 levels. Now, yes, you can sell at 2.65. However, 2.64, 626, very good support. Then 2.55, 2.5 levels. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI is overbought here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at daily charts trading outside Bollinger Bands. It does not mean that it cannot continue. Now see, it is trading still in this bullish channel. The highs are there. If you see it trading about 2.72 again, just stay long. We are going to look at 2.8. In fact, $3 levels are going to get achieved very soon. Now see, this is a potential resistance zone. We have seen this 2.8 levels also, and if it breaks beyond 2.8, certainly we can say that net gas is going to go fly high for $3 levels also. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards, trading bullish. Hence, for the day, sell at 2.65, buy at 2.72. In between this zone, do not trade. On the downside, put a 2 cents trailing stop loss. You can expect 2.6 as a very good support, and then 2.55 levels. Till 2.5, do not consider this as bearish. It can try to stay above 2.5 for a little near term and then continue to resume the upward trend. On the upside, beyond 2.72, you can expect 2.8, and if it breaks below beyond 2.8, just stay long for $3 levels in the near future. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship at Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.